Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change Instagram password. If you have any privacy reasons or maybe you just want to change the password of your Instagram, then in this video, I'll show you how it can be possible. So first you have to make sure you have the Instagram app. Once you have it, simply click onto its icon to open it. Once the app gets open, then you have to go to your profile. Simply click onto the profile image from the bottom. And then on the top right, you will see three lines. Click onto these lines. And after that, settings will open. There you have to click on the first option, which is account center. Then you have to scroll down a bit and you will see the option for password and security. Click onto that option and then click onto the first option, which is change password. Then choose the account. If you have multiple accounts on the profile, it will show all of them. Choose the one of which you want to change the password and then you will get to this page. Here first you have to add your current password, then enter your new password and re-enter it to make sure it is correct. Once you're done, click on change password and after that your password will get changed. So that's how you can change Instagram password. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.